Now, one way to know if the broccoli's done, kind of poke at it. 5 minutes should be ample enough time. So you don't want to overcook it because we're about to bake it again. And then you want to make sure that you strain your broccoli. Now what you want to do is you want to cool down the broccoli. Put it in the refrigerator or just let it sit out. It's up to you. I actually just put mine in the freezer. And then you want to cut the broccoli in small little pieces. So you know it's done, it's still kind of firm. We didn't want to cook this small because then we would have lost a lot of the broccoli. It would turn into mush. It's better to actually cook it whole and then chop it when you're done. So we want the size of the broccoli to actually match the size of the rest of the vegetables. Just like that.